How to put lock in Instagram app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the settings of your device and then all you have to do is just scroll down to find the option of apps. Now tap on the app lock option, which is at the bottom of the screen over here. So just tap on app lock. After you tap on app lock, you just have to give your passkey over here. After giving out the passkey, you just have to select the application that you want to put the lock to. So in this case, since I want to add the lock on Instagram, I'm going to search for the Instagram application over here. So just tap on the Instagram application and toggle this on. Now go back and then try to open up the Instagram application. Now as you tap on Instagram application, you have put the lock in Instagram app. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.